Hello students, welcome back. So we are doing chapter 1 GST from ICSE class 10th book, isn't it? And we have completed till question number 3 in our previous video. So today we'll start right from question number 4. Okay, so let's begin. So this is question number 4. Find the amount billed for the following intra-state transaction of goods services. The GST rate is 5%. Intra-state transaction means transaction carried out within the state. Okay. Quantity, this column is given to us. MRP, this column is also given to us, and discount percent is given to us. And these two columns, I drew this to solve this question. Okay, so quantity 18, MRP of each item is 150. MRP means maximum retail price. Okay, MRP of each item is 150 and quantity is 18. So total MRP will be quantity into maximum retail price. The cost of one item is 150 and there are how many items? 18 items, isn't it? So total MRP will be 18 into 150, isn't it? So let us multiply this. 150 into 18. Okay, we'll put this 0 later on. 8 5s are 40, 0, 8 1s are 8, plus 4 is 12, 1 5s are 5, 1 1s are 1. So this 0, this 5 plus 2 7, 1 plus 1 2. Now we will put this 0, 150, isn't it? This 0, yeah, 2700. So price of each item is 150 and the number of items is 18. So the total MRP will be 2700. Okay, when we multiply these two numbers, we get 2700. Okay, so we have 24 number of items and cost of each item is 240. So the price will be 240 into number of items, that is 24, isn't it? So 24 into 24 will give us 576, isn't it? Now we will put this 0, so 5760. Okay, cost of each item is 240 and total number of items is 24. So the total cost of 24 items will be 5760, isn't it? Similarly, cost of each item is 100, number of items is 30, so 30 into 100, 30 into 100, isn't it? So 30 into 100 will give us 3000. So 3 1s are 3, 1 2 3 zeros, we'll put, yeah, 3 zeros. Okay, so 12 into 120, isn't it? MRP of each item is 120, number of items is 12, so 12 into 120, 12 into 120. So this will give us 12 are 144. So this 0 we will write here. Okay, now discount percent is 10%. So what will be the selling price, isn't it? Total MRP is 2700, discount is 10%, and what will be the selling price? MRP minus discount will give us selling price, isn't it? So since discount is 10%, so MRP will be 90% of, selling price will be 90% of 2700, because 100% from this 100%, 10% is given discount. So the remains 90%. This 90% will be the selling price, isn't it? So let us calculate this. 90% of 2700. 90% of 2700, isn't it? So 90% means 90. We remove the sign of percentage and introduce 2 zeros in the denominator. Of means into 2700. So we cancel these double zeros. 9 7s are 63, 9 2s are 18, 18 plus 6, 24, isn't it? 18 plus 6, 24. So this 0 we will write here, 2430. So the selling price of 18 items will be 2430. Okay, 2430, 2430, 2430. Now discount is 20% here, so the selling price will be 80% of this, 80% of MRP, isn't it? Because out of 100%, 20% is given discount, so remains 80% as selling price. 80% of 5760. 80% of 5760. 80% of 5760. So these two zeros, one zero from the numerator and another zero from the numerator. Okay, so the answer will be 8 6 are 48, 8 7 are 56, 56 plus 4 is 60, 0 6 in hand, 8 5 are 40 plus 6 is 46. Okay, 4608. 4608. Similarly, 70%, 30% is the discount given to us, so 70% of 3000, isn't it? 70% of 3000. These two zeros and these two zeros cancels out. 7 3s are 21, 120. We write here 2100. Okay, 2100. So again 20% discount, which means 80% will be the selling price. 80% of 1440, isn't it? So these two zeros, this zero and this zero cancels out. 8 4s are 32, 8 4s are 32, plus 3 is 35, 5 3 in hand, 8 1s are 8, plus 3 is 11, isn't it? 1152. Okay, 1152. So these are the selling price of the different items. 18 items, 2430, 24 items, different items. Okay, 4608, 30 items, 2100, 12 items, 1152. So what will be the total selling price? Let us calculate total selling price. Total selling price, SP means selling price. Okay, let us add up this. 8 plus 0, 8 plus 2 10, 0 1 in hand. Okay, 5 plus 3 8, plus 1 is 9. Okay, 1 2, 2 plus 6 8, 8 plus 4 12. 1 2, 2 plus 6 8, 8 plus 4 12. 12 2, 1 in hand. Okay, 4 5 6 7 8 9 1 10. 10290. This is the total selling price. Okay, now since GST, the rate of GST is 5%, so SGST will be, therefore SGST, state GST, intrastate, isn't it? Intrastate, isn't it? So within the state means SGST and CGST, we must calculate both the GSTs. Okay, SGST will be 2.5% of total selling price. GST is always calculated on selling price. Okay, SGST will be 2.5% of 10290, because total rate of GST is 5%, so SGST will be 2.5%, CGST will be 2.5%, or when we add 2.5 we will get 5%, isn't it? So 2.5% of 10290, 2.5. Now when we remove this sign of percentage, we introduce two zeros in the denominator. Again we eliminate this decimal from here and we introduce another zero. Okay, off means into 10290, 290. This zero and this zero cancels out. So 25 ones are 25, 25 fours are 100. So this will give us 1029 divided by 4, isn't it? So let us divide this. 1029 divided by 4. 4 2s are 8, 9 10, 2 in hand. So 4 5s are 20, isn't it? So 2, this 9 comes here. 4 7s are 28, 1 decimal point 0. 4 2s are 8, 9 10 2, 4 5s are 20. Okay, so 257.25. This will give us 257.25. Please take the screenshot. Okay, I'm erasing this. So SGST equal to 257.25, and CGST will be also equal to rupees 257.25. Out of 5%, the half of 5% is 2.5% will be SGST and 2.5% will be CGST. Okay, so total GST is, so let me calculate total bill. Okay, we are asked to find total bill, so therefore total bill will be equal to total SP. Okay, SP is rupees 10290 plus 257.25 plus 257.25. Selling price plus state GST plus central GST. Okay, CGST, SGST plus CGST. So let us add this. 257.25 plus 257. Oh, this is 257. Okay, 257.25. 257.25 plus 257.25. We will add this two first and then we will add with this. Okay, 257.25. so 0.25 is 0.5. 7 plus 7 is 14. 5 plus 5 is 10 plus 1 is 11. 2 plus 2 is 4 plus 1 is 5. 514. So this will give us 10290 plus 514.5, isn't it? So this is in rupees. 10290 plus 514.5. so this 0.5 we will write 0.5 here. 0 plus 4 is 4. 9 plus 1 is 10. 1 in hand. 2 plus 5 is 7 plus 1 is 8. Okay, so this 0, this 1. 0 plus 4 is 4. 9 plus 1 is 10. 0. 2 plus 5 is 7 plus 1 is 8. Now this 10 will write here. So total bill will be 10,804.5, means 10,804 rupees 50 paise. Okay, we were asked to find the amount of bill. We are asked to find the amount of bill. The amount of bill will be 10,804 and 50 paise. Okay, these two are the state GST and central GST. Okay, I hope you got this. Now let us do the next question. Okay, now let us do question number 5. Okay, find the amount of bill for the following interstate transaction of goods services. The GST rate is 18%, isn't it? So the transaction is interstate transaction, isn't it? Which means transaction is carried from one state to another state. Okay, so we need to calculate only IGST in this case. Okay, IGST needs to be calculated in this case. Both CGST and SGST will become nil. Okay, we need not calculate this two. Only IGST needs to be calculated. Now let us see the table. Quantity 35, number of items is 35, and MRP of each item in rupees is 420, which means MRP, maximum retail price of each item is 420 and number of items is 35. So what will be the total MRP? Number of items into MRP of each item, isn't it? 35 into 420. 35 into 420. Okay, so 35 into 420. Let's multiply this. 2 5s are 10. 1 in hand. 2 3s are 6 plus 1 7. 4 5s are 20. 0. 2 in hand. 4 6s are 12. 12 plus 2 is 14. This 0 will write here 7 4 1. 1 4 7 0. Now we have this 0 also, isn't it? So 1470 and this 0 we will write here. Okay, so if MRP of each item is 420 and number of items is 35, so total MRP will be quantity into number of items. Quantity into MRP. Quantity into MRP. When we multiply this two number, we will get this. Similarly, number of items is 47. MRP of each item is 600. So total MRP will be 47 into 600. 47 into 600, isn't it? 6 7 is 42, 4 in hand, 6 4 is 24, 24 plus 4 is 28. So this 2 zeros we will write here, 28200, 28200. Number of items is 20 and MRP of each item is 350, isn't it? So total MRP 350 into 20. 2 into 35 is 70. 2 zeros we will write here, 7,000, isn't it? Now discount is 10%, isn't it? Out of 100%, 10% is given discount. 10% is given discount. So selling price will be 90%. 90% of MRP. Okay. So 90% of MRP. Selling price will be 90% of MRP. MRP is 14,700. 14,700, isn't it? So 90% when we remove the sign of percent, we introduce 2 zeros in the denominator. Of means into 14,700. This 2 zeros cancels out. 9 7s are 63, 3, 6 in hand. 9 4s are 36. 36 plus 6, 42. 2, 4 in hand. Okay. 9 1s are 9 plus 4 is 13. Isn't it? So this 0 we will write here, 13,230. So selling price in the first case will be 13,230 rupees, 13,230. Okay. Similarly, in the second case also discount is 10%. So MRP will be selling price will be 90% of this, isn't it? 90% means 100 in the denominator of total MRP, 28200. This two zeros cancels out. 9 2s are 18, 8, 1 in hand. 9 8s are 72, plus 1 is 73. 7 in hand. 9 2s are 18, 18 plus 7, 25. 25, okay. This 0 we will write here, 25380. 25380. Now discount is 20%, so selling price will be 80% of this, isn't it? 80% of 7,000. So this 2 zeros cancels out. 8 7s are 56. 1 2 zeros, 5600. Okay. So now let us calculate total selling price. Total selling price equal to rupees, this 0 plus this 0 plus this 0 will give us this 0. 3 plus 8, 11. 11 plus 0 is 11, 1 in hand. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 6, 11 plus 1 is 12, 2, 1 in hand. Okay. 3 plus 5, 8. 8 plus 5, 13. 13 plus 1 is 14, 4, 1 in hand. 2 plus 1, 3 plus 1 is 4. So 44,210. This is the total selling price of this many items. Okay. Now IGST will be 18%, isn't it? The GST rate is 18%. 18% of selling price. Please remember, GST is calculated only on selling price. Okay. 18% of selling price. What is selling price? 44210. So 18, we remove the sign of percentage, 100 in the denominator, of means into 44210. So this 0 and this 0 cancels out. Okay. Now let us multiply these two numbers. 4421 upon 18 into 18. 4421. 4421 into 18. 8 1s are 8. 8 2s are 16, 6, 1 in hand. 8 4s are 32, plus 1 is 36. 8 4s are 32, plus 1 is 33, 3 in hand. 8 4s are 32. 32 plus 3 is 35. 1 1s are 1, 1 2s are 2, 1 4s are 4, 1 4s are 4. So this is 8, 7, 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 plus 4 is 9, 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 9 5 7 8. 7 9 5 7 8. 7 9 5 7 8. We have 10 in the denominator, isn't it? So we remove this 0 from the denominator, okay, and put decimal before one digit number. 7 9 5 7.8. okay, so this is the GST IGST, isn't it? So total bill will be total. We are asked to find total bill, isn't it? Find the amount of bill. So total bill will be selling price plus GST. Okay, selling price is 44210 plus 7957.8. 7957.8. so this 0.8 we will write here. 7 plus 0 is 7, 5 plus 1 is 6, 9 plus 2 is 11, 7 plus 4 11, plus 1 is 12, 4 plus 1 is 5. So 52,167 and 80 paise. Okay, 52,167 and 80 paise, rupees 52167.80. so this will be the total IGST. Okay, I hope you got this. Total bill will be total selling price plus tax. Okay, tax will be GST. Okay, this was for today. Thank you so much. Stay connected. I'll upload the rest of the questions in the next video.